Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. Monday morning, no trade rooms. Tuesday, we'll be in the room at 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report, and we'll just be watching the New Zealand rate decision at 10 p.m. on Tuesday. Wednesday, Delta earnings at 6:30 in the morning. We'll just be watching, no trade room. We start on Wednesday with our free YouTube stream of the week at 8 a.m. in the room for course CPI. And then the Canada Bank rate decision and crude oil inventories at 9:15. 12:30 for the 10-year bond auction, 1:30 p.m. for the FOMC minutes, and then 9:30 p.m. no trade room. We'll just be watching the Chinese CPI PPI report. Thursday morning, we start at 7:45 for the ECB main refi rate and core PPI unemployment claims. Back at 10 a.m. for natural gas storage, 11:30 a.m. for the WASD family money trade, and then 12:30 p.m. for the 30-year bond auction. Friday at 2 a.m., the British GDP industrial production manufacturing production has no trade room. We'll just be watching that event. We'll be in the room at 6:30 on Friday for the JPM and WFC earnings, Wells Fargo, 7:45 for Citigroup's earnings, and then 9:30 in the morning for our final event of the week, preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Should be a good week. I'll see everybody in the trade room. Looking forward to it. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. See you on the inside.